In a question like this, I'm going to read it to you. It says 2 times W plus 3, right? That's on my left side. And on my right side, I have, we can put a 1 here. I have 1W on the right side. And I have a negative 5. Okay, so what you're trying to do is you're trying to get rid of the numbers so that you can solve for the variable. You also want to put all of your variable terms on the left side of the equation, not on the right side. Okay, so on the right side of the equation, I have a positive 1W. I want to get rid of that because I need to put it with my other W. On the left side, we have a 2W. That stays there. What's the opposite of adding 1W? How would I get rid of 1W? I would do what? Take away 1W, right? Okay, so that means on the left side, I have to take away 1W. On the right side, it is a positive 1W. On the left side, it becomes a negative 1W. Do you understand why I did that? So now, what's on the right side of my equation? I got rid of this. What's on the right side? I have a negative 5 here. I haven't done anything with that. But on the left side of the equation, I still have this plus 3. I didn't get rid of that yet. I don't want that near my variables. I have to get rid of it. What's the opposite of plus 3? Take away 3. So what do I have to do on the right side? Take away 3. Do you see what I've done here? I've just switched them around and changed the signs. So on the left side, I have 2W minus 1W, and on the right side, I have negative 5 and a take away 3. Notice what happened? I had a positive 1W, it became a negative 1W. I had a positive 3, it became a negative 3. Everything else stayed the same because I didn't move them. Can you simplify this? Can you do 2W take away 1W? What's 2 take away 1? So just W. What's negative 5 take away 3? That's the answer. W equals negative 8. The first thing you want to decide is where do you want to put all your variable terms? Do you want to put all your variable terms on the left side of the equation, or do you want to put them on the right side of the equation? Where do you want to put them? Left. Okay, so I have a t. That's going to stay there. And then on the right side, we have a negative 2t. What's the opposite of negative 2t? So that's going to go there. Whenever you... No, there's a 9. That's gone now. That's gone. I have a 9. But on the left side, I have a positive 3. I need to get rid of that from the left side. I just want my variables on the left side. What does positive 3 become? So that's gone now. I got rid of it. Is that easier now? So I have a 1t and a 2t. How many t's is that all together? So I have 3 t's on the left side, and I have a 9 take away 3, which is, can you guys solve this now? 3t equals 6. What does t equal to? 6. What do I have to do to isolate t? Divide by, don't forget this last step. So what do I have to do here? So t equals 2. So again, you're going to figure out where do you want all your variable terms to go? On the left side or the right side? Jay. So I have a 2y. That stays there. Nothing changes. It's a negative 2y on the right side, but we want it to be on the left side, so it becomes positive 2y. Right? What's on the right side? A 12. And the opposite of take away 4 is? That's it. Simple. What's 2y plus 2y? What's 12 plus 4? Last and final step.
4 divided by 4.
Good. And what do I do on the right side? 16 divided by 4 equals? Awesome. You guys are good. On the right side of the equation, this is a positive 1. If there's no sign in front of it, it's positive. So what does it become?
Negative.
Right. So I have a 5k. This positive 1 becomes minus 1. It's a negative 13. That doesn't change because it's still on the right side. I haven't changed anything. But this changes. The positive 3 becomes, what's the opposite of plus 3?
Negative.
Okay, simplify. 5K, take away 1K equals
4K.
4K. Good. This is the hard part. Negative 13 take away 3 is what? Negative 16. Use your calculator if you need it. What do I have to do to both sides now to get K by itself?
Divide.
Divide by?
4.
Good. That gets rid of that. Divide by 4. A negative divided by positive is a
Positive. No.
negative. 16 divided by 4?